Hi guys, it's Anthony Molinaro from OBrien Real Estate with the 32nd edition of the Eastern Weekly Property News for 2021, where the real estate information is on the house. As we do at the start of every month, we report on the data CoreLogic just released for the last winter month of 2021. Now, apart from homes already inspected prior to August 6th, which was lockdown day, every home has sold via an online or a virtual inspection. Now, despite the limitations, the market moved north in Victoria by an overall of 1.2% for the month. Now, outside of Victoria, the two best performing states were Hobart and Canberra, with aggregate growth over 30 and 26% respectively for the year. Vic Metro median house price growth slowed marginally over August, but still added 1.4% growth to prices, which brings the median price for houses closer to the $1 million mark to finish just under at $954,500. Units increased modestly by 0.5% to a median price of $615,909. Vic regional median house price growth was similar, accelerating by 1.3% in August, bringing the median price for houses to $534,809, which represents an annual growth rate of 25%. Unit prices increased fractionally under that at 1.4% growth, resulting in a median price of $363,679. Now, looking at the next graph on rental yields, you'll see that annual changes in rents for units in Melbourne continued its resurgence in rental prices, now only being 3.3% under the market from 12 months ago when we were in the middle of Melbourne's second lockdown. Houses for rent have modestly changed over the last 12 months, increasing 3.5% in their rents. Yields for both regional and metro Melbourne remain stable with little change, but still much higher than bank deposits. Looking at the numbers for last week, OBrien Network conducted 10 online auctions over the last weekend, with all 10 selling for 100% clearance rate. Across Victoria, online auction clearance rates were very similar at 95% clearance rate, which is up 14% off last week, which shows buyers are becoming more and more comfortable with the online auction platform. We also saw 1,185 non-auction sales go unconditional last week, which is also a very strong result when only virtual inspections had been allowed for the last 3.5 weeks. The main news edits this week have been that the Australian Bureau of Statistics, or the ABS as it's commonly known as, has reported wage growth was up 8.1% on a year ago, the biggest increase in 12.5 years. Continuing with the ABS data, credit growth for July was released with data representing the biggest growth in credit in 3 years. However, we are likely to see August slow down due to many lockdowns across the country. Now, lastly, July data around council building approvals for new homes was down 8.6%. Now, this is the fourth consecutive month of declines, with Victoria down 11%. However, South Australia fared worse with 17.9% decline. This Saturday, the team and I have an online Zoom auction at 11:30 a.m. for 20 Elmhurst Road, Blackburn. In the highly regarded Box Hill High School zone and on a flat block of 675 square metres, the choice to either build your dream home or renovate and detonate is one not to be missed. It's fair to say the current home needs some tender loving care, as the property is still in its original condition dating back to the 1940s. With a location that counts and leaves the others wanting, you're within a short stroll to Kerrimua Shopping Precinct, Blackburn North Shopping Centre, Blackburn High School, bus routes on Middleborough Road and Whitehorse Road, the Blackburn train station, Box Hill Centro and Eastern Freeway, as well as many parklands and reserves nearby. To be sold sight unseen with no private viewings or open for inspections conducted throughout the campaign, we are hopeful for a successful result for our owner. Now, if you would like to watch the auction action, please feel free to contact myself or the office to provide you with the Zoom link to tune in and support our owner. Now, that's all for this week. I'm Anthony Molinaro, and remember, the information provided is of a general nature. You should always seek independent legal, financial, taxation or other advice in relation to your unique circumstances. Thanks for taking the time to watch this week's Market Wrap, and until next week, it's bye for now.